Hello, everyone, and welcome back. This is lesson 13. Today, we will learn how to ask and answer simple questions in English. In this lesson, you will learn how to ask and answer basic questions. This will help you start speaking English. Let's begin. Listen. What is your name? Repeat after me. What is your name? What is your name? Answer. My name is Nefi. Repeat after me and say your name. My name is Nefi. My name is. Now it's your turn. What is your name? My name is Nefi. Very good. Listen. How are you? Repeat after me. How are you? Answers. I'm fine. I am good. Repeat after me. I am fine. I am good. Now your turn. How are you? I am fine. Very good. You're doing very well. Let's continue. Listen. Where are you from? Repeat after me. Where are you from? Answer. I am from Bulgaria. Repeat after me. I am from Bulgaria. Now your turn. Where are you from? I am from. Excellent. Where are you from? Write it in the comments. Now, listen to the conversation. What is your name? My name is Anna. How are you? I am fine. Where are you from? I am from Italy. Now, repeat after me. What is your name? My name is Anna. How are you? I am fine. Where are you from? I am from Italy. Excellent. Now, answer the questions. What is your name? How are you? Where are you from? Very good. Let's repeat all questions. What is your name? How are you? Where are you from? Again, what is your name? How are you? Where are you from? Excellent. Today you learned how to ask and answer basic questions in English. Practice every day. If you want to continue learning English step by step, subscribe for the channel so you don't miss the next lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye.